Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you saw the title, you know what we're doing today. I'm gonna be trying out Insert Name Here's Luxe 22-inch hair extensions. So as you can see, my hair is cut right above my breast. I would say it's about medium length hair. I actually trimmed it 2 days ago because like you guys know, my hair was bleached and I dyed it back brown recently, but obviously the ends get really like fried and dry, so I've been trying to just trim it ever so often until like all the bleach is gone. But my birthday's actually coming up. It's a couple weeks away and it is my 21st birthday. Sadly, because of COVID, I'm not gonna have anything big going on, so I wanted to actually give myself a gift that I've been wanting for a really long time, and it's been hair extensions. There was no particular brand. I was just kind of looking around to see a very affordable and like a good quality brand, and that's how I'm here. So I've been looking at a lot of YouTube videos about Insert Name Here's ponytails and their extensions, and a couple clicks later I am here with my extensions. So if you guys want to know what I think about the 22-inch Luxe extensions, the Leanne V ponytail and the Waiver by INH, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be starting off with the ponytail. I already brushed my hair so it doesn't have any knots. I also decided to start off with my hair being straight because I feel like that's the easiest to work with. Oh my god guys, it is so cold in LA today. It's like drizzling, but not. It's around 50 degrees and like it's so cold. I actually pulled out a long sleeve today. Normally I'm okay with just a t-shirt because I hate being like hot. I actually love the cold weather. But it was cold enough for me to bring out a long sleeve today. Kind of weird. This is what my ponytail looks like. I wouldn't say it's too short because it does go after my neck. However, my hair is very thin, so it looks like this, but in an hour it would get very flat, very straight, not much volume like there is right now. We have the ponytail right here, and this is in the shade dark brown, I believe. If it isn't, I'll have the name of the shade up here on the screen, but I'm pretty sure it's dark brown. All right, so you pull it out of the bag. It's got like these loose curls at the bottom. This was like one of the few ponytails that I actually liked on the website. They had like some ombre ones, some straight ones, some curly ones. I just wanted like a typical straight pony, and I've never worn anything like this. So it has like a little cap right here. It has their logo, and then I don't know if you guys can see these. These are like some clips. I guess you're gonna dig right here, and then it comes with this like Velcro strap, which I'm pretty sure is what you wrap around your ponytail. So let's do this together. I don't know if this is a good angle. Okay, I've never worn anything like this, so I'm just digging this little part into the top of my head. Sorry, my mirror is right there. Okay. Oh, all right, I'm gonna start wrapping this, I guess. I wish I would have got like a blonde, or like if I was blonde, because you could probably see this a little bit better. Ow, oh my god. Okay, be careful with the Velcro because this just got stuck to my natural hair, like my hair. Whoa, okay. Oh, okay. All right, then it comes with this extra little piece of hair, so I'm just gonna wrap this all around. Oh, ooh. It also comes with 2 bobby pins. These actually feel like really good bobby pins. I might just wear these like for work because they're actually that good. Just secure the piece of hair. This is what the ponytail looks like. It's really pretty. It's definitely long. I feel like this is super cute for like a casual day, kind of like today. I would definitely wear this because it's so easy. You just throw it on and you have like this beautiful hair. Wait, I'm in love with this, and it looks so real. Honestly, the color match is really good to my natural hair. I love this ponytail. Let's just put it there. I have never worn extensions or a hair pony or anything, so me personally, I feel like I can kind of feel the hair, but it's because I've just never like jumped into that world, so I don't really know what the difference of like a lightweight pony and like a heavy pony is. I just know that like me personally, I can feel it. It's definitely not something that's like there and I can't feel. So yeah, I feel like I definitely can feel it. It's a little bit heavy, but also I do have pretty thin hair, so I feel like that's why I can kind of feel it a little bit better, like a little bit more. But I'm honestly super surprised. I honestly thought this was going to be kind of a little bit of a gimmick, But I love this. Like, I am so excited to actually wear this out. I'll probably wear this after like this video. I also want to say that I got this ponytail for free. They were having this sale on the website where if you spend $150 or more, then you could get a free ponytail. So this was like my free ponytail that I chose. But I think originally this ponytail is not more than like $60 or so, which honestly it's worth it because the hair quality is really nice. It's really soft, and personally for my like hair color, it does match really well. Like, I feel like people would not know this is a fake ponytail unless I told them like, oh my god dude, I'm wearing a fake pony, and they'd be like, what the fuck, like, you can't even tell. Okay, out of 10 I give this ponytail a 9, only because I can feel the pony, which is like, I feel like expected. It's not like professional hair extensions or anything, so obviously I feel like it's not going to be as lightweight or like amazing quality as like, you know, getting extensions installed or whatever. But for like a ponytail, this is so good. I am in love with this. Oh my god. Now I kind of want to buy one in every style because now I know that like this color matches my head. And I love ponytails. Like, I used to wear my hair up in a ponytail in high school like every single day because I love ponytails. They're so, I feel like, cute and girly and fun, and I don't know. Oh, do you guys hear the Velcro? Yeah, just be careful because like this little Velcro part got stuck on my head and I feel like I just wasn't careful. But yeah, I love her so much. And I feel like this is kind of sad looking at this. Whoa. It also comes with a hair scrunchie, which is like a pink silk color, which is nice, you know, because silk doesn't make creases on your hair like the way these like hair ties do. I just feel like my hair feels more secure with like this kind of ponytail than this one. I'd probably like wear this to sleep or something. Okay, and the real deal, the INH Luxe dark brown extensions. So I actually already opened this. I'm not gonna act like I haven't, but this piece comes like in this compartment. That piece actually comes with a little extension like this one, just because you can color match your hair before you open up the whole package, because when you do open the whole package then you can't return it. So it does come with a little like sample piece that you can also like incorporate to your hair extension like after all. This one is a 2-clip, as you can see. I'm gonna show you guys first like how much of a difference it looks like in inches from my hair. I've never worn hair extensions, guys, so I don't know if I'm doing this right. I was just watching videos and kind of copying what other people do and what feels comfortable to me. So this is where my hair stops and this is where this hair stops. Some people might say it's not much of a difference, but it honestly is. Let me show you guys in the back. You can see that it reaches like up to like this part of my jeans, and my hair ends just right above my jeans. And then here's like a little bit more of a comparison. So it does give a couple inches, and obviously it's gonna give volume, which is what I feel like my hair lacks a lot of. Like I keep saying, it's very thin and damaged, and if you're watching this video, it's a sign to not dye your hair. Don't ever do it. And the hair is super soft. Again, I've never dealt with hair extensions before, so I don't really have anything to compare it to, like as to like whether it's like soft, lightweight, whatever, because I've never had extensions before. This is like my first time ever. So me personally feeling this, like it's really soft. Okay, so once I had opened this piece and I determined that I was going to keep the extensions because they were my color, I opened them yesterday completely and I put some of them on, and you guys, I am in love with them. First of all, they came like this. They came tied up in a hair tie, and when I saw this I was like, this is like not a lot of hair, and I kind of felt ripped off for a second, right? Because I mean, I've told you guys, I've never had these. And when I put them on, I was like, ah! So we're gonna put these on together. Disclaimer, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. Okay, so I scoot you guys back a little bit so you could see my sorry. I scoot you guys back a little bit so you guys could see the actual like length of my hair and the volume and everything, get like a better look. So it comes with 4 of these wefts that have 2 clips, and then it comes with 2 of these wefts that have 3 clips in them. However, I was noticing that this one is a little bit longer than this one. You can see this one's a little bit shorter. Here's like a side-by-side comparison so you can see how much of a difference it is. So this one still has like about 3 fingers more, so it's a lot longer than like the other one. And then it comes with 1 of these longer 4-clip wefts. Okay, so I'm on the side so you guys can kind of see my hair. I'm gonna pick up about that much that much in the back. I'm gonna lightly brush one of the 3 weft ones. This is the shorter one that I was talking to you guys about. Okay, nice and brushed. Open all the clips. Okay, and then I'm just gonna flip it over and just dig into it. I hope you guys can actually see me because I literally have no idea if you can. Okay, yeah, that's the first layer. Feels really, really nice and long. Look at how long that is, guys. Whoa. So the next layer of hair is gonna be like right above my ears a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the 4-piece weft. I don't think I'm gonna use the other 3-piece. Let's flip her. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the ones on the side. You guys can see what it looks like. Does it look good? Okay, now we got like this much. It's starting to look really good. Oh my god, I wish my hair was this long. It's so soft, you guys. Like, I wish my natural hair felt this soft. This is where things start to get a little bit tricky. So we're getting to the top of the head, and obviously you don't want to get caught with the fake hair. So I'm gonna pick up like, I don't know, like that much. Yeah, why not? Ooh. I'm gonna grab one of the 2-piece wefts. I'm surprised it didn't come with any like 1-piece wefts, but whatever. I'm gonna put these a little bit closer to like the front of my head. And I did part my hair half today, like a midline, and I normally don't do that to my natural hair, but that's what I did today. Okay, let's do the same thing to the other side. They're honestly really, really easy to put on. I just watched a couple of YouTube videos and it kind of gave me like the generic idea. Cool, we have them all in. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. Honestly, just like this, I am already in love with it and it looks so good. Again, I am wearing the extensions and the ponytail in the shade dark brown and it looks really, really good. I am obsessed. What do you guys think? I think it looks so good. I'm gonna give it a final brush just at the ends, so I don't rip my extensions out. Okay, so I only ended up using one of the 3 weft, one of the 4 weft, and one on each side of the 2. So in total I have like 4 pieces in my hair. So I have 2 wefts left over, and then I have 1 3 weft left over. I probably could have sneaked this into my hair, but I really didn't feel like I had to. But I'm gonna show you guys the back. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like right now. I wish I could see what you guys see, but I won't be able to see until I edit this. But let me know honestly what my hair looks like. Like, does it look good? Does it look cheap? Because obviously I can see what I see here and it looks really, really good, and I'm so happy with this purchase. So I actually got this as a bundle, my extensions and the waiver, because it was actually cheaper to get both of these together than if I got just the extensions. Like, just the extensions themselves I think were like $250, and then if I got the extensions and the waiver it was $230. So like I saved $20 and I got a free hair tool and a free ponytail. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the like bundles category of the website. I'll have the direct link of like this bundle down below so you guys can find it automatically. But they have a bunch of other bundles that it's way cheaper to get your extensions and like ponies and whatever if you look on that category, because I feel like people don't really look in that category, and that's like such a great way to save money. Okay, so this I actually have not opened yet and I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what it comes in. Some bubble wrap. It's this cute little pink color and it has like a clamp. And this is basically to give you like those like beachy mermaid waves. Normally I would curl my hair. I would curl my hair to probably blend my natural hair and the extensions, but because I got this tool, I want to try it out, see if it's any good anyways. You can apply heat on these extensions, not on the ponytail, because I think that's Japanese synthetic hair or something like that, and this is actually 100% human hair, so that's kind of creepy that I'm wearing another person's hair. Whoa. Yeah, you can apply heat to these. I'm gonna look on the website because I'm not really sure how much heat you can apply. But you can do anything to these, a bleach, dye, cut, and apply heat and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so they're heat resistant. I can't even speak. Up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see right here that it's starting to heat up. So I'm actually gonna grab a hair clip for this. Oh, I can feel it heating up. Whoa, heats up so fast. So I'm gonna try. Ooh, this is kind of hard. I'm gonna try dividing my hair the way that I put the extensions in. Okay. Let's just go in. I've never used anything like this, so I don't really, maybe, I don't know. Fuck this glove, I can't. Let's, for how long? I have no idea. I feel like this is gonna take really long now that I'm thinking about it. Especially because at 310, I normally straighten my hair like at 450, guys. Like, I don't got patience or time for this. Oh my god, I already say something. Oh. Okay, let's do another section. So this is what like the waver has done, and then this is what the hair looks like before. Honestly, you know, I'm gonna do my whole hair. Maybe it'll look different once I finish the whole head, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back from doing my whole head of hair. I'm gonna say that with the extensions it took me about 40 minutes, which is definitely, for me, feels like a very long time because I can straighten or curl my hair in like 15 to 20 minutes. What do I think of the waver? Honestly, I think it's a really cool tool. It definitely did what it claims it was gonna do, wave my hair. However, I feel like it kind of did emphasize the difference from my hair to the extensions just a little bit, but once I comb through it, then it kind of like blends. It does take a really long time, so I don't recommend this like in the morning. Also, if you kind of hear pitter patters, it started like storming outside all of a sudden, so yeah. But yeah, I don't recommend this to do in the morning if you have to go to like work or like you're on a tight schedule. Do not do this to your hair. I definitely want to see what it looks like with my natural hair, like without the extensions, but I really like it. Is it something you need? Not really. I feel like you can get this look literally with sleeping in braids. Like, that's literally what this is, but maybe I'll feel differently about it once I take off my extensions. Maybe I'll actually feel like it makes my hair look really cute. But yeah, I am obsessed with the extensions. I am obsessed with the ponytail, the waver. I'm gonna give the waver like a 7 out of 10. Like, it's something you don't need, but if you do have, it's something cool to have. The extensions, honestly, I give it a 10 out of 10. I have no complaints about it. As far as like if I can feel them, obviously I can feel them. Like, I know where they are, but they don't feel like tight or they're pulling on my hair, so I guess they're not that heavy. But yeah, I am so excited to wear my hair long and curled for my birthday. Like, it's gonna look so freaking cute. I'll have the links to everything down below so you guys can check it out because I really do love them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like, comment something down below, subscribe. I still have my giveaway going on. You can check out my last video for information on that. Let me know in the comments down below different videos you want to see. You know, I love these kind of reviewing videos. I kind of want to do like a massive Shein order so I can show you guys like some new things. I know you guys really liked that video back in like summer that I filmed. I'm just gonna give you guys one last look of the hair. I'll show you the back right now. Alright, and this is the back of the hair. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.